How to fix Android phone not charging. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to check the charging cable and adapter. Inspect the cable and look for visible damage, fraying or bent connector. You can even use a different cable and adapter if the phone charges with another set. Your cable or adapter may be the problem. The second thing is simply you need to clean the charging port. Inspect the charging port for dust, lint, or debris and avoid using metal objects to prevent damage. You can even restart your phone. Hold power button on your device and then swipe towards restart. Sometimes simply restarting your device will fix the issue. You can even update or reset software. So you need to open setting and ensure your phone software is up to date. For that, you need to go ahead and tap search bar and type for update. And here you will see the list of updates along with software update. Open it. And if you find software update, you simply need to install and download it to the latest version. As a last resort, you need to perform a factory reset after backing up your data. So simply type in reset again on the search bar and tap on backup and reset. And here you need to tap on reset phone and erase all the data. If none of this above work, you need to visit a professional because there might be a hardware issue. So take the device to an authorized service center. So by following this way, you can easily fix Android phone not charging issue. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.